She drop shipped to herself to $1 billion, which is crazy. She drop shipped herself to $1 billion, guys. Yo, yo, shout outs to Kylie. Yo, that's what's up, Kylie. Yo.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows. East side, we ride, we fly way up, no breaks. No breaks. No breaks.
Kylie Jenner is a billionaire. The fastest young, how do I even word this? I'm so excited. I'm excited for him. The fastest young billionaire, right? She passed Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg, not in income. She doesn't have more money than Mark. Like, let's be real. She don't got more money than Mark yet. She's going to have more money than Mark. Mark my word, one day she probably will. She just became a billionaire faster than he did. Shout out to Kylie Jenner. Shout out to Kylie Jenner. There's no hate in my blood. Keep doing your thing, girl. Keep doing your thing. Keep crushing it, right? But what I want to talk about, family, for my family, is how any one of you guys can do exactly what she did. I'm excited because this puts entrepreneurship on the map even more. I love seeing success from other people, from myself, but not just from myself, from other people. I love it. I love seeing other people be successful. Now, obviously, the argument with Kylie Jenner would be that she's famous, right? She has fame. Like, we can't do what she did because she's famous. That's bull crap. All her fame really did for her, to be honest with you guys, was enable her to put a higher price for her product. That's really it. I mean, you can sell as many products as she sold if you know how to market right. You can sell a lot of products drop shipping if you know how to market, if you know how to do the marketing strategy behind it. There's millionaires being created all the time, all year long, from drop shipping and entrepreneurship and doing things like drop shipping, right? Yeah, she had her fame help her to the point where, yeah, she became a billionaire from it. But you can't get mad at that. You can't get mad at that. Anyone can do what she did. Now, people are giving her trash, making fun of her because they're saying she wasn't really self-made. She wasn't a self-made billionaire. You know, she was famous already and blah, 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 which is true. But guys, come on, man. Like, to be honest, she made $1 billion. How many famous people are out there that aren't billionaires? Like, she passed all the famous people, pretty much. She made $1 billion. So she's a self-made billionaire in what I believe. I don't care if she had fame or not. Anyone can do what she did. Now, does everyone have fame? No, everyone doesn't have fame, but anyone can make, if she made billions from it, you can definitely make millions. And then that could turn into billions by you telling your story and building your own fame and then making billions one day from that. But you can definitely make hundreds of thousands and millions of dollars doing exactly what she did. Even with the same type of product, even if especially if you're eye-catching, right? If you're a pretty person, if you're an attractive person. Let me explain to you guys what I mean by anyone can do what she did. Anyone can do what she did. What Kylie did was sell on Shopify, guys. What Kylie did was drop shipping, guys. Anybody can do drop shipping. Anybody can do what Kylie did. She legit drop shipped from AliExpress, right? AliExpress, and she just got a product that was worth what? I think 10, 15 bucks, maybe even lower than that, $7 even. And she just sold it for hundreds of dollars. Now, here is the difference between like being famous and being a regular person. She was able to put a price on it way higher than you and I would be able to put because of her fame. But you can't blame her for that. That's okay, right? So versus where if you were gonna drop ship the exact same items that she did, then you would probably be making you would probably put maybe $60, 50, 60 bucks, 80, 100 tops. If you had a little fan base, like via YouTube or something like that. But seeing how she was famous, she sold it for several $100, or I believe, right? I don't even know the exact amount she was selling it for, but I know she put out way higher price tag than that normal people can do. But you can still do the same exact thing she did. She took a product from AliExpress and she put Kylie Cosmetics on it and she sold it to the public. She drop shipped. She drop shipped, guys, with all these other like you've seen the ads for entrepreneurs drop shipping. There's courses on it. As a matter of fact, I have a link in the description to one of the best courses on drop shipping. I'm not trying to get you to go buy the course or anything like that. I'm just being honest with you guys that what she did was exactly that. She drop shipped. She got together with some type of guru who knew what they were doing with drop shipping and told her it would be a good idea, and they did it, and she's became a billionaire from it, guys. And now there are other people doing this that aren't famous, that are multi-millionaires doing this. Me personally, do I drop ship? I have drop shipped. I've made thousands of dollars drop shipping, but it's not one of my favorite things to do when it's drop shipping via AliExpress and Shopify and using all those apps and stuff like that. I am not the guru in that. So there's other people that teach that very well. But however, it is true. It is true. You can make millions of dollars. You can make hundreds of thousands. You can make thousands. You can make a ton of money drop shipping. And that's what she did. Anyone can do what she did, guys. Don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on it, guys. Anyone can do what she did, man. So she became a billionaire, the youngest self-made billionaire. That's what she beat Mark in. She doesn't have more money than Mark Zuckerberg. Let's be real. She doesn't have more money than him, but she became a billionaire faster than he did. So she already was making millions of dollars selling real estate and whatnot, but when it's product sales triumphs everything else, if you ask me, even real estate in the short term. In the long term, definitely real estate triumphs everything else. But in the short term, product sales and sales in general, product sales triumphs everything. Now, when you're talking drop shipping, it's an amazing business strategy because you don't have to put up your money until somebody buys the product. So that's what was even cooler for what she did, was she didn't even have to put down any of her own money, really, besides getting the website set up. And that was nothing. That's pennies. Like, that's lower than pennies for Kylie. And yeah, basically she didn't have to pay any money until you guys bought her Kylie cosmetic products, and then she made the money, right? So she drop shipped to herself to $1 billion, which is crazy. She drop shipped herself to $1 billion, guys. Yo. Yo, shout outs to Kylie. Yo, that's what's up, Kylie. Yo, ain't no hate over here. Do your thing, girl. Do your thing. You know what I mean? Hey, but anybody could do what she did. Anyone could do it. Anyone could do it. It's just drop shipping, guys. All right. So let this be inspiration for you. Let what she did be inspiration for you. You may not be famous, but it can make you famous. If you want to be famous, this can make you famous, because all you got to do is learn how to drop ship, right? Drop ship some products, make a couple of $1,000s, maybe a couple of $100,000, maybe a couple of million, and then talk about your success, and you can gain your own fame from that. So anyone can do what she did. It's very, very simple. Now, like I said, you don't have to go buy a course or anything like that, but if you want to learn how to do exactly what she did, there's courses out there. There's YouTube free videos. Just type in drop shipping. I haven't talked about it that much on this channel, so just go to YouTube and type in drop shipping. That's exactly what she did, and learn how to drop ship. There's a webinar in the link in the description. Anybody can do what Kylie did. Anyone can do what she did, and she made $1 billion from it. So like that definitely spiked up. That spiked up the whole drop shipping entrepreneur journey for people that are drop shippers. Yeah, that's a good look for you guys. Kylie just made it a good look. Y'all better be thanking Kylie instead of. So I mean, not everyone is hating on her, but you know, you just have haters that just hate on people. Like, they hate on other people's success. That's not me. Shout outs, Kylie. You're doing your thing, Kylie. Keep killing. Drop shipping, it's that simple. I mean, it's really simple. Drop shipping is really simple. It's really not a hard thing to do. It's just getting everything set up, getting the website finished, things like that. It's really not a hard thing to do. And if you have guidance while doing it, it's very, very easy to do. Yeah, so family, go check out drop shipping, and it may be something you love. It may be something that's gonna change your life. But that's all she did, family. All she was doing was drop shipping. All right, family. So that being said, I hope this gave you some ideas. I hope this put a fire under your butt, that you can do this. You know, it's very simple. I'm not going to break down and show you the graphs of everything she did and the actual product. There's many people out there on YouTube that are showing you what she sold, how she sold it. So just search it up. Search it up, Kylie Jenner drop shipping on YouTube, and you'll find many people talking about it. But I just wanted to touch up on this subject because I feel like this is a good way, and this is an awesome way, and anyone can do this to make some crazy amount of money. You can change your life from dropshipping. There's many people that have done it, and yeah, guys, let this be an example for you that, yo, she's a billion, like, you know, you guys understand that number. She's a billionaire. She's a billionaire, family, from dropshipping. Yeah, like, so, yeah. It's peace and love, family. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you give this video a like. Share this video. Until the next one, you already know it's peace and love. I'm out. I'll see you guys later. I'm out. Peace.